Let's go over our trading day from yesterday, which was 5/19/25. Yesterday we had a losing day. We lost about $1,326.74 due to our working time liquidation. So what happened was we got into a trade pretty late in the day over here, and our working time liquidation states that we will close a trade 30 minutes prior to closing of the day. We can set this to be any time, but we set it on our parameters here to be at 22:30. So before the trading day is going to close, we close our trades whether we are up or down. Now we entered the trade here around 1956-20. This is server time, and exited at 22:30. As you can see here, all of them exited. 10 trades, all exited due to the working time liquidation. We are okay with that. We are fine with these losing trades. Losing trades will happen. Winning trades will happen. As long as the wins outperform the losses, we are still fine. This account is still up, $16,818 on a $100,000 deposit. So we are okay. We are okay with these small losses over here. Now, what we will talk about again is the working time liquidation factor also applies to news events. We will show this in another example in a different video, but just so you know, working time works for end of the day trades and also for news events. So if there's a major news event and we're in a trade, we will liquidate the trade 15 minutes prior to the news event. And we'll go over this example in a different video. Thank you.